Hello yacht enthusiasts, welcome back to the AZ Guide, your ultimate source for all things luxury on the high seas. I'm Alex and today we are diving into a triple treat of yacht news that will leave you in awe. So grab your captain's hat, sit back and let's sail into the world of maritime marvels. First up on our nautical journey is the unveiling of the frigate yacht by Leone Design Workshop. Picture this as a 69-meter masterpiece inspired by naval frigates, blending opulence with contemporary flair. Graffiti-style art panels adorn the exterior, giving it a modern edge. But that's just the beginning. Accommodating 12 guests and 17 crew members, the frigate yacht is a floating paradise. The master cabin, spanning an entire deck, is a residential heaven, with floor-to-ceiling windows, a king-size bed, a private lounge, and a balcony. On deck, amenities include a bar, swimming pool, hot tub, and more. With a range of 6,000 nautical miles, this yacht is not just a vessel, it's a lifestyle. Now let's talk about cutting-edge design with Valerio Rivellini's creation, Iceman. For Cantiere della Marche, this Explorer tender is not just a support vessel, it's a marvel in itself. Crafted with a 10-meter aluminum hull and a carbon fiber superstructure, Iceman is all about versatility. Stored ingeniously in the stern of the mother vessel, Iceman even houses a secondary 4-meter tender. Versatility at its finest. With a design emphasizing structural robustness and lightweight features, Iceman is ready to explore diverse latitudes. An explorer's dream come true. And now brace yourself for a revolution in yacht design. The Rebel 50G by Saks Technarip Spa. Designed by Christian Grande, this vessel breaks away from conventions with a stingray color and distinctive profile. It's not just a yacht, it's a statement. With a large window creating an impression of floating, the Rebel 50G offers a unique on-water experience. From expensive mooring surfaces to a sporty stern with an up-down platform, every detail is crafted for comfort and versatility. And the interiors, pure elegance with Cepo di Gre marble. And there you have it folks, 3 yacht revelations that redefine luxury on the open seas. If you enjoyed this maritime adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more exclusive updates. I'm Alex, signing off from the AZ Guide. Until next time, may your sails be full and the adventures endless.
Feel free to give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more.